Good morning, students. Welcome back to St. Joseph's English Medium School, Vijaypur. WhatsApp digital learning classes of 4th standard math subject. Students, as we know that in the last video we have completed exercise number 6.2. Lesson number 6, multiplications, exercise number 6.2. There we have learned multiply of tens, hundreds and thousands numbers that we have learned in the last video by solving the 4 different types of questions. I hope that you understood that concept thoroughly. Let's move to the next part of our lesson. Today we are going to begin the next exercise of our lesson number 6, that is multiplication of 4-5 digit numbers by 1 digit number. That means multiplication of 4-5 digit numbers by single digit number. Even we can say that multiplication of 1000 and 10,000 numbers, multiplication by single digit number. This we are going to learn in today's exercise. This exercise is in your textbook page number 91 and 92, because this exercise is consist of 2 questions. The question number 1 you can find it in the page number 91, and question number 2, that is find the product, solve in your notebook, that is in the page number 92. So this question is in your textbook page number 91, 92. Please open your textbook and now watch the video carefully. So today, to learn the multiplication of 4-5 digit number by single digit, let's do examples first. This is the given question, children. 4 digit number, that is 3769 multiplied by 2. As we know, the basic and fundamental rules of addition, subtraction and multiplication is we should begin with the ones place digit, that is units place. Then we have to move to the hundreds, the tens place, then hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh. Like this we have to move. Where we have to start from? We have to start from the ones or units place number. So in the units place or ones place we are having 9. So we should begin with the 2 table, because the multiplier table only we have to read. 2 nines are 18. 8 we have to write down and 1 we have to carry to the tens place. Can you see on the screen, children? 8 we have to write in the ones place and 1 we have to carry to the tens place. Now multiply the tens digit number, that is 2 6 are 12. The what carry you are given, that carry you should add to this 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 3 should we write in the tens place and 1 we should carry to the hundreds place. Like this, children, we have to go according to the places of the given number. So now what is the digit given in the hundreds place? 7. 2 7s are 14. To this 14 we have to add that carry written above the hundreds place. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 5 we should write in the hundreds place and 1 we should carry to the thousands place. Now multiply the thousands place number. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 carries there now. Yes, 6 plus 1 is 7. So answer has become 7538. This is the simplest method we have to follow in the multiplication. What is the method? First we have to keep in our mind, we have to begin the multiplication with the ones number. Then we have to move to the next places of the given number. Then we have to pass to the carry to next given numbers. Let us see the next question. One more example. 3548 multiplied by 3. Which table we have to read, children? 3 table. Now 3 table. 3 ones are like this. 3 8s are 24. 2 should be written in the tens place and carry should be written in the tens place and 4 should be written in the ones place. Now multiply the tens place number. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2 carry 14. 4 should write in the tens place and 1 should carry to the hundreds place. 3 5s are 15. To the 15 we have to add the carry. 15 plus 1 16. 6 should write in the hundreds place and 1 should carry to the thousands place. Now multiply the thousands place number. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 carries there now. 9 plus 1 10. Write down the 10 directly because there is no further number to carry over. So 10. So answer is 10,644. Understood, children? Yes. Let's move to the next. Let's move to the main exercise of the 6.3. There we have to go solve the question number 1. What is the question number 1? Find the product. Question number 1 is find the product. First, let's take the question number A. 2475 multiplied by 3. So we should begin with ones place number. So which table we have to read, children? 3's table. 3 5s are 15. 5 should be in the ones place and 1 should carry to the tens place. Next, tens place number. 3 7s are 21. Add the carry. 21 plus 1 22. 2 should be written in the tens place and 2 should carry to the carry should be written on the hundreds place. Now multiply the hundreds place number. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. 4 should be written in the hundreds place and 1 should carry to the thousands place. Now multiply the thousands place number. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So answer is 7,425. Let's take the B question. 3,497 multiplied by 4. So we should read with which table, children? 4 table. 4 7s are 28. 2 should be written in the carry place. 4 9s are 36. Add the carry. 36 plus 2 38. 8 should write in the tens place and 3 should carry to the hundreds place. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3 19. Carry should be added. Carry should not be multiplied. Only we have to multiply the numbers. Now 4 4s are 16 plus 3 is 19. 9 should be written in the hundreds place and carry should be given to the next place, that is thousands place. Again add 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. Directly after the when there is no number next, we have to write direct number 13. So answer is 13,988. Let's move to the next question. C. 2,408. So children, observe here. Because in the tens place we are having 0. So when there is a 0 in the number, how to do? Please observe it. First we have to begin the multiplication with which number? Ones number. And which table we have to read here, children? 5 table. 5 8s are 40. 4 should be written on the carry place and 0 should be written in the ones place. Now we have to multiply the tens place number. 5 zeros are 0. But there is a class carry, children. That carry we have to add. 0 plus 4 4. How we have to do? We have to multiply the number given in the places. In tens place we are having 0. 5 zeros are 0. But to the 0 if you add 4, that will become 4. Now let us move to the hundreds place number. 5 4s are 20. 2 should be written in the carry place of thousands place and 0 should be written in the hundreds place. Now 5 2s are 10. 10 to add the, for 10 you add the carry, that is 2. 10 plus 2 12. So answer is 12,040. Got the idea, children? Let's go to the D question. 5,324 multiplied by 6. Now which table we have to read, children? 6 table. Begin the multiplication with units place number. 6 4s are 24. 2 should be written in the carry place and 4 should be written in the ones place. 6 2s are next number. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. Carry should be written in the hundreds place and in the tens place write the 4. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1 19. write the 9 down and carry 2 should be written in the up. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. So answer is 31,944. Let's take the one more question, children. 3,829 multiplied by 7. Which table we have to read? 7 table. From which number we have to begin? Which place? Ones place. 7 9s are 63. 3 should be down and 6 should be on the above the tens place. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 6 is 20. 0 should be written in the tens place and 2 should carry to the hundreds place. 7 8s are 56 plus 2 is 58. So 5 should be written in the carry place and 8 should be written in the hundreds place. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 5 is 26. So answer is 26,803. As I am saying and writing, showing that same method while writing you should say and write. Then only the idea and methodology will be coming into your mind. I hope you understood this, children. Let us move to the next question of next part of the question. Find the product. Still there are questions, children. Up to we are having J question. So F question I will take first. F question 10,983. Now these are the 5-digit number. Now up to E we have done 4-digit number. Now we are getting 5-digit number. Now same method we have to follow. How many digits also we get? We should follow the same rules. We have to read the multipliers table and also we should begin with the ones place. So here multiplier is 2. So read the 2 table, children. 2 3s are 6. There is no carry. Next number is in the tens place 8. 2 8s are 16. So carry comes here. 6 should write in the tens place and 1 should carry to the hundreds place. Now read the hundreds place number. 2 9s are 18. Add the carry 19. 1 should be written in the thousands place and 9 should be written in the hundreds place. But in the thousands place we are having 0 again. 2 zeros are 0, but there is a carry. To this 0 you add the 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. So now add the multiply the 10,000s number. That is 2 1s are 2. So answer is 21,966. Let's move to the G question. 32,678. The multiplier by 6. 6 table you read, children. 6 8s are 48. 4 is carry. 8 is in the written in the ones place. 6 7s are 42 plus 4 is 46. So 4 should be carry and 6 should be written in the tens place. Next 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 4 is 40. 0 should be written in the hundreds place. 4 should be carried to the thousands place. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. Now write the 10,000s place carry and 6 is written in the thousands place. Now multiply the 10,000s place number. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So answer is 1,96,068. Now let us move to the next question. H 45,608. So which table multiplied by 7? Which table we have to read, children? 7th table and we should begin with the units number. 7 8s are 56. In the tens place there is no number, it is a 0. So 7 zeros are 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. Now move to the hundreds place number carry. 7 6 are 42. 2 should be written in the hundreds place and 4 should be carried to the thousands place. 7 5s are 35 plus 4 is 39. Now 3 should be written in the 10,000s place and 9 should be written in the thousands place. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3 is 31. So answer is 3,19,256. Let's take the next question. I 34,567 multiplied by 8. So read the 8 table. 8 sevens are 56. 5 should be written in the carry place and 6 should be written in the ones place. 8 6 are 48 plus 5 is 53. 3 should be written in the tens place. 5 should be carry. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 5 is 45. Now multiply the thousands place number. 8 4s are 32 plus 4 is 36. 3 should be carried to the thousands place and 6 should be written in the thousands place. Now 10,000s place. 8 3s are 24 plus 3 is 27. So answer is 2,76,536. Let's take the last question of the question number 1, that is J. 91,235 multiplied by 9. So which table we have to read, children? Yes, it is 9 table. From which number we have to begin? Units place or ones place number. 9 5s are 45. 5 should be written in the ones place and 4 should be carried to the tens place. That is the next number of the ones place. Next, 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 4 is 31. 3 should be written in the hundreds place carry and 1 should be written in the tens place. Now multiply the hundreds place number. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 3 is how much? 21. So 1 should be written in the hundreds place. 2 should be carried to the thousands place. Now in thousands place, 9 1s are 9 plus 2 11. So carry should be written in the 10,000s place and 1 should be written in the thousands place. Now 10,000s place, which digit is there? 9. 9 9s are 81. Carry is there. 81 plus 1 is 82. So answer is 8,21,115. This is the method to solve the question, children. Just we have to keep two concepts, that is given multiplier numbers table we have to read and we should begin with the ones place number and carry should be forwarded to the next number. That's we have to follow in this multiplication. Let's do the question number 2 of the same exercise. Question number 2. It is the same exercise 6.3. Find the product, solve in your notebook. This question is given in the page number 92. Let's take the question first. 3,456 multiplied by 5. Now 3,456 is our multiplicand and 5 is our multiplier. So let's arrange it. So which table we have to read, children? 5 table. 5 6 are 30. Next, 5 5s are 25 plus 3 is 28. Carry should be written on the above of the places. 4 5s are 20 22. 20 plus 2 is 22. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. So answer is 17,280. Let's take the B question. 5,679 multiplied by 6. So multiplier is 6. So arrange the number like this. Now begin the multiplication. 6 9s are 54. 5 is carry. 4 is written down. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 5 is 47. 7 should be written down in the tens place and 4 should be carried to the hundreds place. 6 6 are 36 plus 4 is 40. 4 should be written in the thousands place and 0 should be written in the hundreds place. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 4 is 34. So answer is 34,074. The answer is 34,074. Like this we have to write the answers, children. Let's take the next question, that is 6,034 into 8. Arrange it in children. In which table we have to read now? 8 table. 8 4s are 32. Because we have to begin with the units number or ones place number. 3 should be written in the tens place and 2 should be in the ones place. 8 3s are 24 plus 3 is 27. 2 should be written in the hundreds place, carry over as, and 7 should be written in the tens place. 8 zeros are, anything is multiplied to the 0 is 0. 8 zeros are 0. To this 0 we have to add the carry. Carry is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. Next, 8 6 are 48. So answer is 48,272. Let's take the next question of the question number, that is question number D. 44,438 multiplied by 2. So multiplier is the 2. 2 table you read it, children. 2 8s are 16. 1 should be carry. 6 should be written in the ones place. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Now there is no carry. 2 4s are 8. Again move to the next place, that is thousands place. 2 4s are 8. Now move to the 10,000s place. 2 4s are 8. So answer is 88,876. Let's take the next question, children. E question. 13,245 multiplied by 7. Arrange the number, children. Now begin the number multiplication. With which number? Ones place. Which table we have to read, children, here? Yes, 7th table. 7 5s are 35. Now 3 should be written in the carry place and 5 should be written down. 7 4s are 28 plus 3 is how much? 31. 3 should be written down, written on the carry place, and 1 should be written down. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. 7 should be written down and 1 should be carried to the next place. 7 3s are 21 plus 1 is 22. 7 1s are 7 plus 2 is 9. So answer is 92,715. The next question, F. 23,045 multiplied by 4. Arrange it, the children. Now which table we have to read, children? We have to read the 4 table. 4 5s are 20. 2 should be written in the carry place. And now multiply the tens place number. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. 1 should be written in the carry place and 8 should be written in the tens place. 4 zeros are, yes, 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Now 4 3s are 12. 2 should be written down and 1 should be given to the next place. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So answer is 92,180. I hope, children, you understood this concept thoroughly. What was the concept? We have to keep it in our mind. We have to read the first multiplier table. What number is given in the multiplier place, that table only we have to read. If it is given 2, 7, 9, 8, what number is given, that table we have to read. And we should always begin the multiplication with ones place. Then we should forward, we have to carry to the next place. This is the things. If you keep it in your mind, your multiplication will become very easy task. And if you want more accuracy in the multiplication, please memorize the table. Up to 4th standard you should memorize up to 20 table. Without seeing, you should be able to tell the up to 20 table, because next coming exercise you need more big numbers to multiply. So children, now let's see how to write in our classwork. Open the classwork like this, children, and write like this neatly as I am showing in the video. See, any mistakes, any doubts are there, any mistakes are there in the things? No. You have to also write it while writing clearly and darkly. I am insisting many of you to write darkly. When you take the photocopy of the written pages, it can be seen in mobile very easily. So write this example, this exercise along with example. If you practice more and more question, you will become perfect. For that reason, write the examples also given in the video. So let us write neatly lesson number 6, exercise number 6.3 in your classwork and homework notebook. Use the dark pencil. After writing, children, please send me photocopy of the classworks. Today in this video we have completed exercise number 6.3's lesson number 6. Now next video we will be having the exercise number 6.4. Till the next video, children, take care, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye, children. Thank you for watching the video.